Transport system in human. Transport system we have done it basically having three components, that is blood, blood vessels and heart. Blood is the medium that flows in the pipe, that is blood vessel, arteries, veins and capillaries, and heart is the pumping structure. So now let us do the practice of drawing of heart. Again, this is quite complicated in our NCERT book, so follow the steps here. This I am drawing right atrium, then right ventricle, this is left, and this is all right. Remember, atrium have to be smaller, ventricles they have to be bigger. Now let us draw the wall of this chamber. Remember, when we are drawing the wall, atrium should have the thin wall, ventricle should have the thick wall, and the left ventricle should have the thickest wall. So this is the wall. Like this. Now we draw the septum here also. So first of all, draw 4 chambers of the heart. This is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. Now we will draw the blood vessels which are coming to the heart. The opening of this superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. This is superior vena cava and this is inferior vena cava. They are bringing the blood to this chamber. The another one or the another vein that is coming to the heart is these 3. There are 3 pulmonary veins because there are 3 lobes of lungs. These are pulmonary veins. I have drawn it by red color because these are carrying the oxygenated blood. So 3 opening of these, they are bringing blood here. Now from here the blood will come right atrium, blood will come to right ventricle. From right ventricle through pulmonary artery, this is pulmonary artery, I have drawn it, this is going to lungs. Okay, so this is pulmonary artery. Like this. Again, this is carrying deoxygenated blood. Pulmonary artery. So now the blood will go like this. Similarly, blood from this side is entering into the left ventricle, and from left ventricle this is going through the biggest artery of the body. This biggest artery of the body is the aorta. This is the biggest artery. This is aorta. So from here blood will enter here. The thickness of this largest artery of the body is that of our little finger. Okay, so 4 chambers and 4 blood vessels. These are sufficient to learn for you. This right side is for deoxygenated blood. This is the left side for the oxygenated blood. Superior, inferior vena cava, deoxygenated blood. Pulmonary artery, deoxygenated blood. Pulmonary vein, oxygenated blood. Aorta, oxygenated blood. You can see the blood is going to lungs, get oxygenated, then again coming to the heart. So the same blood is coming to the heart twice. So this is known as double circulation in human.